Hi, and welcome to another 2-minute art hack. Okay, this is not going to be 2 minutes. This is probably going to be nearer 5 minutes. But you loved sketching people quickly so much that I'm going to do sketching faces quickly, because this is the next step on. So, how do you sketch faces quickly? Follow me and I will show you. Okay, so we're out and about and we are sketching people quickly, and we've got a person and we've done our sketching people quickly kind of start off to get our people in there. Now we're not doing the people, now we're doing faces, so I will stop. But the first thing that you do when you first start out sketching people is sketch them from behind. Do not attempt a face at first until you get the hang of proportions, etc. Just do the hair, the back of the face. Once you start thinking, actually, okay, I'm done with doing this. I want to now do some faces, some people's full on, straight on. I start with, well, to be honest, I start with a square, or if I'm sketching people from outside quickly, I will have a circle or an oval. If I'm doing faces, there are some basic measurements you need to know. First is the center line. If a person is looking straight at you, that center line goes straight down the face. It can move depending on where people are looking. You usually have thirds. So the face can be split up into thirds. So from chin to bottom of nose, from bottom of nose to eyebrows. So that starts breaking up faces super quickly, and that is a generic. So tweaking that generic gives you a person or a personality. Ears tend to start at the eyebrow level and finish around the bottom of that nose. So we can put those in quite easily. Our eyes are eye sockets. There's a hint there. Our eye sockets are holes. Our eyebrow bone casts shadow. So our eyes are always in shadow. So you can put a little shadow in. Our nose, ends of nose, usually lines up with the corners of our eyes. Our mouth, so chin to bottom of nose, is 1/3. Half of that third, that's usually where the bottom lip is. So you have a little shadow under your bottom lip. And then you will have a lip line in the middle. The ends of your lip usually lines up to the center of your eyes. We now know that that is half an eye, which means that is half an eye. If you're beginning to sketch faces, draw the eyes closed. Don't make life difficult for yourself. Life is hard enough, guys. Think about where your light source is. Your nose is going to be shaded on the side away from the light. Your top lip is going to be darker than your bottom lip because it's in shadow. It's underneath the top, the philtrum. So that is going to be in shadow. Our bottom lip is going to be in the light. You don't need to do anything with it, so don't do anything. Our light shines down, we have our cheekbones here, so underneath our cheekbones, you're going to have shadow. You will always have shadow under your cheekbones. So this bit is light. Our forehead is going to be light. We will have a shadow as it turns away from the light. And then we can put a cap on, a hair, whatever we want on that person, and then change things about to make them more like them. But this is a generic sketch people quickly. This is going to make your little people look really realistic without too much effort. If you want to change direction of your face, your center line and your thirds are always together. So if I was looking somewhere else, so say I had tilted my face somewhere and was, say, looking in this direction, my lines for my thirds would run like this. So that means that my eyebrows will be like this. My nose would be on this level. My mouth would be at the same tilt. My eyes are going to be at the same tilt. It's very easy to straighten things up. Your eyes always want to straighten things up. You have to be really mindful to not straighten things. So if you're looking at an angle, you have to make sure that your lines are parallel to each other and your features are parallel to each other as well. So I hope you found that interesting and useful. Subscribe, like, come join the Art Academy, come join the sketching club. It'll be fun. I'll see you on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.